Here's the license plate holder after getting backed into by an F-150. And look at this. So, what's up everyone? If you have a Tesla, you know that oftentimes we want to use a front license plate holder instead of tapping the bumper directly. My favorite is the Quick Bandit. Tony, love your product. For anyone who doesn't know about it, it's 1975 creations, the Tesla Quick Bandit. He also has them for Rivians and Cybertruck, but let me show you why I think this is extra awesome. So check out this right here. I actually was in a parking lot recently and some lady backed into me as she was robbing the place. So crunched it up, I'm gonna have to get a new one, but the Quick Bandit actually absorbed a ton of the force there. So let's zoom in right here. You can kind of see, you can actually see the square hitch receiver from the Ford F-150 that backed into me. Even with that, it crunched the poor license plate, but even with that, it didn't break the license plate holder, and it absorbed a ton of the force there. Really, the damage to the bumper, it punctured from the license plate holder, but if this holder wasn't there, it would have totally crunched the bumper a whole lot more. Also, it's kind of great is that even with that much force getting pushed in there, it didn't even break the grille. Really, no better endorsement than that. So, Tony, great part, man. Let's pop this off and look a little closer. All right, literally, there's just a set screw. And then you take it off. So, here's the license plate holder after getting backed into by an F-150. And look at this here. It looks perfect. No damage to the grille. Maybe a little bit bent, but really, considering how bad it was backed into, as this person robbed a Big Five. Who does that anyway? It's pretty good. And then yeah, the damage to this bumper would have been a whole lot more if it hadn't been for this. So, I don't know. Let's see if we can straighten this out a little bit. On the back, you can see that the tow hitch receiver that just totally nailed it. Might have to hammer that out, but as far as the license plate holder, that's pretty darn good. All right, well, I'm going to be ordering a new one of these, so Tony, keep an eye out. But in the meantime, this goes back on. Legal Beagle. Perfect. So I got this because I wanted to take it on and off for track use, and it's that easy to get on and off. And yeah, bonus, you're gonna get a little bit of shiny. All right, that's it. Short video today, but Tony, awesome product. And yeah, I'm gonna get another one, save my bumper. So keep it up.